Guys, this is Kmart Anko portable washing machine. So you can just simply change 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes like that the setting. Simply turn it on, turn it off. So it's quite portable, handy. So the drain here, like dirty water, maybe you just put it out from here after you finish the cycle. Let me close it right now. So you can see it's like this. So I'm just trying to wash few of the microfibers here. And so it is just a portable $49, I guess, AUD. So if you want to know how exactly it seems or feels, this is the video for you guys. It's washing sometimes the left circle and sometimes it's the right circle. You can see here. So after we finish its cycle, then maybe we just drain the water and we can see how it looks after that. Okay. Trying to drain the water. Also, the circle is almost around finishing, so you can see it's almost done. The shoe. Okay guys, here you can see the end product. So I just gave them maybe 5 minutes wash. The fibers were dirty, but right now you can see slightly, maybe because I did not put the right washing liquid or something, but it looks okay. 95% clean, done, handy. So that is the machine, guys. Have a look.